Hello, welcome to Cafdil Lessons.
Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson on mathematics. My name is Benjamin Lomotete, your Basic 2 mathematics teacher. Our topic is counting objects. Counting objects. And our objective is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to count objects from 1 to 50. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to count objects from 1 to 50. All right. We are going to use a material called multi-base block in our lesson. Multi-base block. I have this. Learners, look at this carefully. What does this look like? It looks like Chocomilo. Good. Can you also tell me what this looks like? Yes, it looks like Maggi Cube. All right. This is called a cube, and it shows just one unit. So we are going to use this to show just one. I also have this. This is called long. Learners, repeat after me. Long. Long. This is one long. One long. All right. Remember, we said we are going to count from 1 up to 50. This shows 1, so I have 1. I'm adding another 1. Now I have 2. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10. I have counted 10 cubes. 10 cubes. I'm going to compare the 10 cubes with just one long. So let us look at this. I have 10 cubes and then one long. So I'm going to arrange the 10 cubes alongside the one long. Hope you have seen that. Learners, let me ask this. How many of the cubes give us one long? Ten cubes. Well done. 10 cubes shows one long. This means that we can use one long to replace 10 cubes. Since 10 cubes give us one long. So 10 of the cubes shows one long. This means that one long shows 10, or one long is the same as 10 cubes. One long shows 10. Now I have one long which shows 10. Let's continue counting. This is just one unit or one cube. I'm adding it to the 10, so I have 11. 11. Another one, I have 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 in all. That is one long showing 10. And then adding 10 of our cubes, giving us 20. 10 of the cubes is the same as one long. So we can use one long to replace 10 of the cubes. I'm taking away the 10 cubes and then use one long to replace 10 cubes. And I still have my 20 in all. That is, this shows 10. This one long also shows 10. So now I have two of the longs giving 20. Let's continue counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have 30 in all. Ten of the cubes is the same as one long. So I have one long here to replace 10 cubes. So I have 10, 20, 30. Let's continue counting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Once again, I have my 10 cubes, which is the same as 1 long. We said that 1 long shows 10. Now I have 10, 20, 30, and then 40. I'm going to use 1 long to replace 10 of the cubes, because 1 long shows 10. 1 long shows 10. So I'm taking away all the 10 cubes and then replace it with 1 long. And I still have 40. Let's continue counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 9, 50. I'm using 1 long to replace the 10 cubes that I have here. So I'm taking away the 10 cubes and then replace it with just 1 long. And I still have my 50. We said 1 long shows 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Learners, we have been able to count from 1 up to 50. How many of the longs will give us 50? How many of the longs will give us 50? 5. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 longs is 50. Good. On our chart, let's look at number 1. I have 1 long. Let's count the number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 long and 5 cubes. What will it give us? 15. Well done. One long and 5 cubes is equal to 15. Let's look at number 2. I have 3 longs and then 4 cubes. 3 longs and 4 cubes. What will this be? 34. Well done. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and then 34. Number 3. 4 longs and 2 cubes. 4 longs, 2 cubes. What will be the answer? The answer will be 42. 42. Shall we look at number 4? I have 5 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 longs. If 1 long shows 10, what would the 5 longs be? 50. Well done. Learners, I believe you can count from 1 up to 50. Before we bring, let's have our homework. Homework. Count to find out how many. Count to find out how many. Number 1, 3 longs, 5 cubes. 3 longs, 5 cubes. 3 longs, 5 cubes. Number 2, 4 longs is equal to 4 longs is equal to. So you provide the answer. Number 3, 1 long, 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 long and 5 cubes. Number 4. These are just 3 longs. Sorry, 3 cubes. We have 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 cubes. Let's go through the homework one more time. Number 1, 3 longs and 5 cubes. 3 longs and 5 cubes. Number 2, 4 longs. 4 longs. Number 3, 1 long and 5 cubes. 1 long and 5 cubes. Number 4, 3 cubes. 3 cubes. All right, learners. We have come to the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Until I come your way again with another lesson, it's bye-bye.